segment reports via agents. Let's get started. Many companies that I deal with, what they will do is if they want to send a report to a particular user with, for example, a particular organization, they will create a report. They're going to create that filter on that report. That includes what they want to send to that particular individual. But what can happen is you might also want to send the same report to another user with a different organization. So what many of these companies are doing is that they'll create a report for each and an agent for each, which creates a lot of manual work and is as well a high level of maintenance to maintain all of that. So how can we go about to create one report and use multiple agents and segment that agent so that it sends the report out to those users with just a particular organization? So firstly, we're going to go ahead and we're going to create the report by going to New Analysis. We're going to go to Recruiting, and I'll just put in a couple of quick fields here from requisition information. So I'll put Rec ID and Rec Title, and I will bring in Rec Organization, and let's bring in Level 2, Business Unit. Now, what you want to do is you want to create a prompt on the business unit. So here we're going to create a filter. And for business unit, we're going to select is prompted. We're going to click on OK. Now let's go ahead and save this report. Now the next step is to create our agent. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to click go to New, select Agent. And under the condition tabs, this is where we're going to create our condition that will segment the results that are going to be sent to the user for the report. So we're going to select use a condition. We're going to click on create. Besides analysis, we're just going to go to browse. And what we're going to do is we're going to go get the report that we just created and saved. That has a filter on a business unit, which is prompted. And here, as you can see, we see the prompt that was put into the report. So now let's say for this user, I just want to send them maybe a particular business unit. So we're going to click on the pencil icon to edit. We're going to change the is prompted to is equal to is in. And here on the binoculars, we're just going to click on that to show the values. And we're going to select accounting and administrative services. And we're going to click on OK. On OK. So what this does is for the user that's going to receive this report, it will be filtered on accounting and administrative services. And what you can do is you can create multiple agents for different users that might have a different business unit. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a great day.